Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download Google Sheets in Windows or laptop PC. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Google Sheet, and go to the Google Sheet. This one. Okay, here's your Google Sheet. Now, how you can download this? How you can download the software? You have to go here, the three dot icon on the above. Click on this, and you'll find more tools. And click on Create Shortcut. Then you can change this name like Google Sheet. Take this one, open as window, and click on this Create. Let's see if it's come or not. Now go to your PC and you'll find this Google Sheet. Okay, just double click and you can enter from here. Okay guys, so simple. So guys, this is how you can download Google Sheet in Windows laptop or PC. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.